Hey there, good morning. The sea is awake, calling you to wake up to. The sun paints a vibrant path on the water, leading straight to the shore, with waves crashing in, bringing their powerful rhythm. The morning is filled with a lively energy, as you soak in the sounds of the ocean and the peaceful white noise of dawn. You absorb its strength, tranquility, and clarity, ready to face this new day with confidence and relaxation. If these soothing sounds help you start your day on a positive note, stick around. Let the sea be the beginning of your day. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll share this moment together.